drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground. Get back. Hey, drop. Hey.
Instead of following the officer's instructions, he attempts to turn on the chainsaw.
Drop the chainsaw. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
I just want my wife, man. I just want. Listen, man. I don't want to.
He is tasered onto the ground and a wild chase ensues. The officer must use severe force to subdue the man. After running around with the chainsaw, he finally drops to the ground and submits.
Watch out, move your...
There's people all around, old people all around. He's got this chainsaw. Now, again, it's not running. I don't give a He's got a chainsaw. He is crazy. And this thing, he hit me with it. He cut this guy with it. So he's...
The man in question was later declared dead. He had various illegal substances in his system.